In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a countdown timer for Squarespace. Free plugin for Squarespace, plus easy-to-follow step. First, open your Squarespace website and head into the site editor. From the main navigation, go to Pages so you can choose where the timer will live. I'm going to place it on the home page, but you can pick any page you want your countdown to appear. Once you're on that page, click Edit to enter the page editing view. Next, add space for the timer. Click Add Section, then choose a blank section. A blank section gives you full control over layout and spacing, which is perfect for a clean, focused countdown. With the new section selected, click Add Block to insert a new content block into that section. Use the block search to find the code block. If the panel is busy, just start typing code in the search field to filter quickly, then select code. You'll see the default placeholder that often looks like a simple Hello World line of HTML. Click inside that field so it's active, highlight the placeholder, and replace it with your countdown timer code from your preferred free plugin. Most free timers provide a small HTML container with a script tag, or a single script you embed that renders the timer automatically. If your plugin splits HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, place them together inside this code block, or follow the plugin's recommendation for where to put styles. At this point, you can use Preview in safe mode to check your layout without third-party scripts interfering. Keep in mind that safe mode may temporarily disable external code, so the timer might not animate there. That's normal. Use the preview mainly to confirm spacing, alignment, and section styling. Then return to the editor, reopen the code block if needed, and fine-tune your snippet. Common tweaks include adjusting the end date and time, labels for days, hours, minutes, and seconds, and any color or font settings the plugin exposes. If your timer supports responsive sizing, make sure that option is enabled in the snippet so it scales nicely across devices. Back in the editor, you can click into the code block again to make final adjustments, such as centering the timer within the section, or adding a brief headline above it in a separate text block if your design calls for it. When everything looks right and your end date is correct, click Save to publish your changes. That's it. You've added a countdown timer to your Squarespace page using a free plugin and a simple code block, all without